Good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor N.V. Arthe from SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Devla, working as a assistant professor in Electrical Engineering Department. So today we will start the new topic of course power quality. That is long duration voltage variation. The voltage variations in a period, the change in voltage, the change in voltage which is greater than the 1 second. It is greater than the time period 1 second. Long duration voltage variations are over voltage, under voltage, sustained interruptions. The over voltage is the RMS AC voltage is greater than 110%. 110% of the rated voltage, and this will be caused due to the switching of a large load or a energizing a capacitor tank. The under voltage means that the voltage, the RMS AC voltage, which is less than 90% of the rated voltage, then we can say that the voltage is under voltage. This will be occur due to a load switching load on a switching on load or a capacitor bank switching off. Due to the suddenly increasing the load on the system, due to that the voltage will be reduced. Sustained interruption due to the power supply. This means that power supply of for period it is greater than 1 minute. It is greater than 1 minute. It is called as sustained interruption, and this is due to the permanent fault. This will be occurred due to the permanent fault. Next one is short duration voltage variations. Short duration variations encom- encom- encompass to RMS deviations at power frequencies for less than 1 minute. Means there is a voltage variation in the system which is less than 1 minute, having power frequency having less than 1 minute. It is called as short duration voltage variation, and this will be occur. The short duration variations are which this will be occurred by or caused by fault conditions, the energization of large loads which require high starting currents, or intermittent loose connections in power wiring. Due to that, the short duration voltage variations are occurred. The, the short duration voltage variations are classified into number of sections. That is swell, voltage sag or dip, interruptions. Voltage swell is nothing but the 1.1 and 1.1 to 1.8 per unit in V, I for 0.5 cycles to less than 1 second to 1 less than 1 means the variation, the increase in voltage, that is up to from 110 to 180% of rated voltage and current for the period of 0.5 cycle to 1 minute. Means it is greater than 0.5 cycle and less than the 1 minute. This will be occurred due to the unfaulted phases in single line to ground fault, switching of a large load, or energizing the large capacitor bank for the small period. Sag or dip, sag or dip. It is 0.1 and 0 to 0.9 per unit in voltage comma current for 0.5 cycle to less than 1 minute. For 0.5 cycle to less than 1 minute. The system faults, energization of heavy loads or starting of large motors, interruptions V, comma I, which is less than 0.1 per unit for less than 1 minute or 30 cycles, and this will be occurs due to the interruptions means the voltage it is less than 10% of the less than 10% of the rated voltage, then it is called as interruption for the period of less than 1 minute. For the period of less than 1 minute, it is called as interruption, and this will be occur due to the system faults, equipment failures, and control malfunction. This is your short duration voltage variation. What is swell? The swell means the increase in voltage than the normal rated voltage. This is your one, that is 1 per unit meter. It is rated voltage. Increase the voltage for the period of less than 1 second or 1 minute. Sag, decrease the voltage. Decrease the voltage from the rated voltage for, for the period of less than 1 second or 1 minute. It is called as sag. Sag or dips. Dips means decrease the voltage and it will be constant, and after that increase voltage and remain constant. Interruption means for some period of time the voltage is zero. The voltage in the system is zero. This is your interruptions. This is also interruption. So this is your short duration and long duration voltage variation. In next lecture, we will see the voltage imbalance, voltage unbalance in a three-phase system. Causes of that, causes and how to reduce that by the number of techniques. So thank you.